Hey guys, it's Maymay and it's time for our Scripture Stamp of the Month Club reveal, and I'm just going to call it. You need to just brace yourself, and if you have ever thought of getting a stamp set, especially one of our scripture sets, this is the one. You need to run, don't walk, to get yourself one of these. Now, what happens with Stamp Club is this. Our Stamp Club members who are already signed up before the end of the previous month will get this one sent to them today. Today's the day it comes to you. If you're not a Stamp Club member and you want this set, and I know that you will, all you have to do is head to the website and pick up what is left. Now, here's what that means. We order enough to cover the club, and then whatever's left goes in the store, and then we place an actual store order after that. So if you miss out, don't worry, the stamp set will be back, but I know you're going to want it. You just need to trust me. It's the cutest thing in the world. We had so much fun doing this one. Mandy and I played on this one, and I told you this is the year Maymay's playing and doing what Maymay really loves, and this is one of them. All right, without further ado, do I have it laid right? I never lay these down right. I should check. Okay, guys, here it is. Look at the stamp set called God is on the Move. I'm in love with this stamp set. I can think of 1,000 places and 1,000 different ways to use it. So let's go through and let's talk about the images first, okay? So this first little doodle bug right here is a pretty big size. Matter of fact, let me tell you, because a lot of you guys like to know the sizes. This guy is 3¼ inches, roughly. He might be slightly under that, but he's about 3¼ inches. And then his little baby down here is about 1.5 inches, a little over 1.5 inches. Notice the balloons in 2 different sizes. I'm going to show you this in a second, but these balloons are made so that you can stamp them like they're coming out the back, kind of out the back of the vehicle or even inside the vehicle. So you have the larger ones for this one and the smaller ones for this one. Then this banner that is flying in the wind. This is not just a stick. This is an antenna. So this is made so you stamp it here like an antenna, and then the little banner flies from the car. And oddly enough, it actually looks adorable on this car as well, because it just looks like a play on sizes, and it looks like this little bitty car is pulling that huge banner. Also, you get this little this little flower and butterfly fit inside the wheels here, and this flower and butterfly fit inside the wheels here. But here's the best part. Let's talk sentiments. These are great. This one says, put God in the driver's seat, and you guessed it, it fits inside this little banner. Enjoy the journey with God, fits inside this little banner. Be blessed as you go, for the banner. This one, may the Lord be with you wherever you go, does not fit in the banner, but it just had to be in here. This one, put the past in the rear view, fits in there. God is on the move, fits in the door. Where you go, I will go, fits in the door. Go on with God, fits in the door. And then, may God make your way straight before you. That does not fit in the door. So these two are just extra larger sentiments for you. And these guys fit in the banner, and these guys fit in the door of the big car. How stinking cute. Okay. Because I have been doing ATCs this week, I was not able to stamp every single thing on here for you, but I do have some really cool samples to show you. All right, check this out. So my first samples are actually ATCs that you're going to see tomorrow at noon how to make these. Look at these stinking cute doodlebug ATCs. They are the cutest thing. I'm in love with them. So this is how the little banner works, like the antenna here. And then I paper pieced these little doodlebugs, and I'm in love. So tomorrow at noon, this video, start to finish how to do this, will be on the channel. So using that little Volkswagen. And then Brenda was playing around with watercolor, and I walked by her desk and these were there. Now, these are not completed. These are tests that she was doing. She wasn't happy with her stamping. It had a little smear. It was actually the first time she'd ever stamped on watercolor paper. So she's learning. She's still learning. But look how cute they are when you play with them with watercolor too. So once she gets these nailed down, I'll bring them back and show them to you. She put her balloons on the back of the car. You can put them in the car, at the top here. Who knows? You'll have so much fun. I bet these could even be coming off the side of the car here. All right, guys, those are the samples I have for you right now. And again, video on this tomorrow. And how funny that Brenda and I use like complementary colors and didn't even realize it. Also, this paper pack is brand new. You'll see it in the video tomorrow, but I'm going to show you now. because I bet somebody's going to want to know. It's this one. It's called Flower Market by Echo Park. It's absolutely gorgeous, and I used the 6x6 for this little guy. All right, there it is. I told you, run, don't walk. This one is going to be fun, and you can use it for everybody. So that is called God is on the Move. Hey, thanks so much, guys, for being a part of our club and for watching our video today. If you would like to be in our stamp club, there are some benefits for being in the stamp club. One, you get the stamp sets $1 less expensive than if you're not in the club, and you pay no shipping to have it sent to your house. So for $11.99 a month, if you're in the US, it comes to your house, and it's $13.49 a month if you're international. The other thing is you never have to wait for them to come back in stock on the first order. You get them right away. You also, as a club member, receive 15% off most of your purchases in our store. There's very few things that are ever excluded. Some things are, but very few. So if you want information about the club, check below in the description. All that information will be there for you. Hey, thanks so much for watching. Oh, yes. And we have a contest with this stamp set. I almost forgot. I cannot wait to see what you guys make with this little guy. If you would like to enter our contest, be sure to go to our customer gallery and post a photo of what you make using the stamp set. That's your entry. All you have to do, post a photo using this stamp set, and that is your entry, and we will draw a winner, which means I should have a winner for this video as well from last month, and that information will be in the description of this video, and we will also email the winner. I always film these before it's time to draw that, so I don't have the name, but it'll be in the description below. Hey, thanks so much for watching, guys. Talk to you again real soon. Bye-bye.